Welcome back, folks. Let's take a look at the market for the week ahead. In my video last week, I said that we will be tapping at 2,700 and maybe even above. However, the market has been very lackluster. I'm not really happy with the way the market has moved. Okay, very choppy. In particular, I'm not happy with the way that Friday's price action has behaved. So I'm actually looking for a pullback. Okay, so I'm looking for the market to take out Friday's high, right? Reject and then move lower. Now, that's not a trade recommendation. We're learning about price action. Okay, so what we're learning about is how price will target a liquidity pool, being Friday's high, and then we need to look at the behavior of price to identify some kind of a rejection and then look for a short setup. Okay, for a pullback. Now, exactly what to look for and what targets to trade down to is discussed inside of VIP. Okay, so if you want to learn more about exactly how to engage with price, then I invite you to join VIP while the price is at its current level. Okay, $197 per month, because next year the price is going up to $497 per month. Okay, now I also have inside of VIP given a bigger picture view of where the market's headed over the next couple of months in December and January, and I'm expecting a lot of volatility. Okay, we're going to be seeing huge moves in gold, 1,000 pip moves up and down. And in VIP, we're going to know exactly how to take advantage of those huge moves. Okay, so I really invite you to join so that you can really learn how to engage with price on this particular market, because this is a beautiful market that really respects the ICT signatures. Okay, with a lot of volatility, and that's what we want. You want a market that has a lot of volatility, a lot of movement. Okay, now I want to talk about my trade that I journaled here on YouTube Friday Asia session, and I will drop down to a 15-minute time frame. Let me also turn on the sessions. Okay, now before I talk about this particular trade here, right, that we in VIP traded, beautiful move, a couple of hundred pips there, I want to talk about this price signature on a Thursday. Okay, so I pay very close attention. These down candles here in Asia on Thursday, all of those consecutive down candles are one order block. Okay, now that is validated once price trades above. Okay, but inside of there, you can see there's a down candle here at 8:30. It's a very key time, important time. In VIP, we learn about these very key time. And it's not just that particular time, and it's not just the second hour and 30 minutes within the second hour, which is my favorite time for any session, but it's also within those sessions there are specific times that I teach or that ICT teaches, and I reinforce with examples inside of VIP as well. So it's very important. Okay, now this down candle is an order block. Okay, and it's validated once you have this candle go up through that down candle. Okay, that then triggers the buy program. So prior to that, we were in a sell program. This candle that moves up above that down candle is a change in the state of delivery of price. And notice how once the buy program has been triggered, then you see down candles are supporting price. So each one of these down candles are bullish order block. You can see these two down candles are coming down into this bullish order block. These two down candles then become a bullish order block once price trades back above. So these two down candles are coming into these two down candles, right? The bullish order block, and that continues all the way up, okay, until we get above this set of down candles, which took out all of the liquidity on the left. Okay, so now once price is above there, prior to the start of the London session, this down candle here is coming into this sequence of down candles, which is bullish order block, and then we get displacement. Okay, so that's what we learn about in VIP: how to identify these signatures, how to identify the bullish order blocks, and then how to set targets. Okay, for moves in the desired direction. Okay, now this move down for the rest of the day is just a crawl to reclaim this order block. Okay, so this down candle, you're just reclaiming this order block, and that was at a very key time. Okay, you can see this movement down. If I put a horizontal line there, okay, you'll see it's coming right into this down candle, right, reclaiming a bullish order block. Okay, and that is what's required then for that explosive move up, because this entire crawl is building liquidity. Okay, now none of this is in hindsight, right? I've posted this trade live on VIP, right? They've also taken advantage of that move up, and I've also posted the actual trade here for you to look at the outcome, right? So we're not talking about this after the fact, right? This is all done inside of VIP, but I'm teaching you how we've identified this, okay? And that was an explosive move up. Now, we also traded this London move down, right? Because once external range liquidity has been taken, right, from that move up, then we're looking for the market to move down into internal range liquidity, which is a fair value gap, right? Notice again that we have this down candle, right? That's taking the liquidity, right? All this liquidity has been taken on the left. Anyone that's long from that swing low, that's where stops are, okay, for people who've maybe longed that market. And we come into internal range liquidity for a move up again to take out this swing, okay, which at that point is the high of the session, okay, not including the gap time, okay. That is Friday's high, and that is what I'm expecting Monday, meaning today, to target, okay. So on that London trade, you can see this down candle, okay, that is now the bullish order block, okay. Let me make this a bit wider so you can see on a smaller time frame, 5 minute, 1 minute, there'll be more signals, okay, that look the same, but I'm just showing it to you on a 50-minute chart because it's a bit easier to see. So this down candle is now a bullish order block, okay, so as we move up, that validates that down candle as a bullish order block, and that therefore initiates the buy program, okay, and changes the state of delivery of price. At that point in time, you can see these two down candles are basically coming down into that down candle, okay, so if we put a little fib on there, notice it's coming down into the midpoint, right to the midpoint, which is a perfect entry for that, okay. On a smaller time frame, you'll see cleaner and more easier entries, okay, and all we're targeting here is just the swing high. We're always just targeting a premium PDRA, okay, maybe this fair value gap right here, or that swing high, and that was a nice 50, 60, 70 pip move from that entry back up to that swing high, okay, so there's 50, 60, easy 50, 60 pips there. That entry okay, is inside of the 4:30 a.m. candle. So the last 30 minutes of the London session has moved that up, okay? Now, once external range liquidity has been taken and we've moved down, we know exactly how to trade this, okay? This is now a bearish signature for the movement back down, targeting either the low of London or back to previous daily high, okay? Because from the previous daily high is where breakout traders have entered the market, and this move down is to stop hunt those breakout long traders, okay? So this is the kind of thing that we learn inside of VIP, the exact timings, the signatures, and the targets on what to look for, okay? We trade from discount to premium PD arrays and vice versa, from premium arrays to discount arrays, okay? So if you really want to learn how to trade this market, you need to join VIP, okay? The description is in the video below. As I said, the price right now is $197 per month. It's the lowest price you're going to find. And next year, this price goes up to $497, okay? Now, as I said, a lot of volatility coming in December and January, massive moves of 1,000 pips in both directions, up and down. If you really want to take advantage of those moves that are coming, then join VIP, okay? So as I said, for next week, I'm looking at the market taking this liquidity pool, right? And then, so coming up above Friday's high, looking for a rejection. That might go a little bit higher, okay? And then looking for a move down. Exactly where and exactly when, that's all mentioned inside of VIP, okay? Now, that's not a trade recommendation. Learn, right, by looking at what price is doing, how price is behaving, what time is price targeting that liquidity pool, okay? To then be able to forecast future price movement based on current and historical price movement, okay? I invite you to join VIP. Hope the video is useful. I will now talk with you in a future video.